this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, grab you something to eat, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old crochet talk. I am drinking just plain old black coffee. Can't remember. It's in the blue container. Good old black coffee. It's so good. I forgot to also say welcome to my yarn room. Well, today's video is, I just wanted to show, I never did show off the little robot, so I wanted to show that to you guys and announce the winner of my 25K giveaway. So let me go ahead and show you some little pics of my grandbaby, Knox. He just turned 2 on March the 6th of this year, and so I made him a little robot. So let's just look at a few of these little pictures real quick. I have to show him off. I just have to. Okay, guys, he's just adorable. I know it. Anyway, thank you guys for all the wonderful, sweet little comments that you make about little Knox. Yeah, I appreciate that very much. Let's see. What else do I have? Well, let's go ahead and do our, let's go ahead and announce the winner. Let's see who our winner is of our 25K giveaway. First of all, I'd like to show a little bit of what is being given in the giveaway. It's some yarns and things like that. And I do have a few notebooks and stuff that's not in this little video clip. Okay, so now I've gone to the YouTube comment picker. I think it's the YouTube random comment picker is what it's called. And I'm clicking on the filter the duplicate users. I did put in the URL to the 25K giveaway that you guys left the comments on. And then I added up the little sum. And there are 449 unique comments. So, guys, let's see who the winner is going to be. Now I'm going to hit start. Okay, congratulations, Allison Roseboom. She says, so excited for you, Tanya. Happy birthday. Congratulations on your win, Allison. All right, congratulations to Allison. Allison, what you need to do is email me at psbarton99@sbcglobal.net. I need to hear from you within 7 days, or sorry, but you had to forfeit the prize. You'll need to let me know if you are U.S. or international in the email. So I need to hear from you within 7 days of today. So I want to say thank you guys for everyone who has entered it. Thank you guys for all the support, all the love. I mean, for everything that you do for me, guys. I appreciate it very, very much. And I love each and every one of you guys. Well, let's see. Let's go ahead and do our daily devotion. Walking honorably. The name of the Lord Jesus will be honored because of the way you live, and you will be honored along with him. This is all made possible because of the grace of our God and Lord Jesus Christ. 2 Thessalonians 1:12. Honor awards are usually given to those who achieve excellence in specific fields. People are honored for their performance in musical, athletic, academic, and professional arenas. Some are honored for their exceptional bravery or intelligence, and rightly so. But if honor is given only for excellent achievement, how on earth can we be considered honorable with our less than impressive abilities? The secret to living a life that honors God is found in depending heavily on His grace to cover us. We keep it simple. We do what we know is right. We don't compromise. We don't chase after the shiny honor awards of the world, and when we get it wrong, we humbly admit our failure, accept God's forgiveness, and keep walking the narrow road. God, no honor award is worth seeking after unless it will bring honor to you. I am so human and you are so perfect. I can't even begin to achieve the excellent standard you require, but by your grace, you have made me able and consider me worthy. Okay, guys, I'm so glad you guys enjoy that. I love to include that in my videos. I will have a video this week coming out. It's going to be called Quick and Easy Crochet Easter Items. Fast, easy, whatever, something like that. So just look for that title. That will be coming out this week. I do have a few things made, and I wanted to show those off to you guys. The racetrack rug, I will show that in Wednesday's video. I only need like 6 more rows, and it's done. But I wanted to stop it and work on these quick and easy Easter items for this upcoming video. So be sure and look for that. And then, of course, my Whip Caddy Wednesday video. You guys keep sending in your cards and showing off all the beautiful, wonderful projects that you have going on. We look forward to that. Guys, if you like the little mug rug that is in my intro videos, I have a tutorial on that and a PDF pattern. So the links will be below in the description box. But I wanted to share this. I will leave this in the description box as well. This is a pattern from Darla. Sweet, sweet little Darla. I just love her. Her YouTube channel is Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. So Darla, I want to give you a huge shout out. This is one of her patterns of a top she's made. I've made a couple of them. I will be wearing her other one in one of this week's videos as well. This is just one of my favorite summer tops to put on. I just love this. It's just beautiful. And but it's her pattern. She's from Canada, and I will try to dig up the pattern name, and I'll put it in the description box below for you guys so that you can make it. It is very, very easy pattern. I love this. So thank you, Darla, for putting this out for all of us to enjoy. And so, yeah. All right, go check out Darla. Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. Oh, yeah, my sister Tanya, I think I showed these off last week's video. She had surprised me with 2 skeins of this yarn, and it is Big Twist, 380 yards, 380 yards, and it is grape, I believe is the color of this. So she gave me 2 of these, and she turned around and a few days later surprised me with yellow. So thank you, Tanya. The yellow should be varsity yellow. Let's see. Yeah, it's varsity yellow. So thank you, Tanya, for all this beautiful yarn. I just love it. They had a sale, and so this was just some extra that she had picked up. And I'm looking over here, and actually I had no yellow. This was it now. I mean, now this is it. So I now have 2 skeins, and then this grape. I was actually out of the grape as well. So I think she knew I was out of grape, because when I went out of town, she, took care of my home and my pups and stuff like that. And I think that's how she discovered I was out of the grape. So she went and bought me some. So anyway, so thank you so much for that, Tanya. I appreciate it. You are just the best. I love you. Well, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life and to have fun. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.